your name?
Mohammed Davjan.
Michelle Dirr,
I'm a computer science major.
mechanical engineering.
So how's uni? You guys meet friends?
We're both part of the Syrian club. He's the president. And then I'm
He's an activities coordinator.
activities. So this is perfect, yeah.
You guys are not working out externally.
It's all clubs. I'm part of like 3 different clubs.
Part of one
I'm an
club.
intern in a club called Launchpads.
Moves or like dance you guys can show me?
I'll do a trick I can do in my mouth. I'll do a trick I can do in my mouth.
Oh,
I
that's
can
nice.
crack my knee.
Yeah, can you show?
You have to touch it. You can't see it on video. Like you have to do like this.
So thank you so much.